Good morning, children. Let me continue. The previous class we have completed prose, that is Sir Isaac Newton, question and answers, synonym, antonym, everything we have completed now. Now we are going for question and answers for the poem Making Life Worthwhile. So almost short answers only, there is no paragraph answer. Then let me say the questions you have to copy from the board as usual. Answers I will be writing on the board. Clear? Questions from the book, answers from the board. So first question is, copy the question. What should we learn from every soul? Soul means what? Our presence, what is present in us. So what we should learn? We should learn very good things. We should learn the good from every soul. That's all. Answer, first answer. We should learn. Half of the answer from the question itself I said in the beginning. What should we learn from every soul? We should learn. This is the subject, the good things. We should learn the good things from every soul. Full stop. Second answer. Question you have to copy from the board. Second one is, what qualities will help us to brave the thickening hills of the life? How can we face the hill part of our life? So later let me write a little grace. Grace means what? Kindness. A little grace, a kind thought, an unfelt aspiration, that is perseverance, a bit of courage, and a gleam of faith are the qualities that help us to brave the thickening hills of life. So question is what I say? What qualities will help us to brave the thickening hills of the life? Answer, a little grace, a kind thought, an unfelt aspiration, aspiration, a bit of courage, braveness, and a gleam of faith, confidence, are the qualities. These are the qualities. What are the qualities? Little grace, kind of thought, an unfelt aspiration, a bit of courage, and a gleam of faith. 5 qualities. These are the qualities that help us to brave the thickening hill of the life. Whatever the problems we face, by having these qualities, we can face it very clearly. Third question, why should we make this life worthwhile? Why should we make it somewhat useful? Answer, take up from the question, we should make this life worthwhile. Worthwhile means what? Useful. To have a glimpse of the brighter skies. To achieve success. Okay, we should make because God created everyone with a purpose, so we should make our life worthwhile in order to reach the glimpse of the higher skies. That is, whatever it may be, how far we can reach, we have to reach to our goal. We should make this life worthwhile to have a glimpse of the brighter skies. And the fourth one, what does the poet assure if you make our life worthwhile? So, நம்ம லைஃப்பை வந்து ஒர்த்ஃபுல்லாக பண்ணிக்கிட்டா it will be heaven is sure to our property. Even heaven, if you want to get the heaven, it can be possible if you are having all the qualities. Clear? So, we'll see what's the answer for that. Answer, heaven means what? The place we feel that gods are there. Heaven is sure to be our property, not a mere land, even. Heaven will be our property. That may be inherited us. Inherited means what? It will follow to us from generation to generation. Inherited by us. If we make our life worthwhile. Okay. Questions you have to copy from the book, I say. Answers. First question, we should learn the good things from every soul. It's very simple answer. Next one, a little grace. What are the qualities? A kind thought, an unfelt aspiration, bit of courage, and a gleam of faith. Till the qualities are the qualities that help us to brave the thickening ills of life. Then third one, why should we make the life worthwhile? We should make this life worthwhile to have a glimpse of the brighter skies. Then if it is, fourth question is, what does the poet assure? Even heaven is sure to be our property. Okay, not a mere land or something else. Heaven is sure to be our property. That may be inherited by us, that may be captured by us. Okay, if you make our life worthwhile. Clear, children? So question and answers again. You have to go for fill-ups. First to fill up, we should have a dash in life. So fill in the blanks. Next one, that is second one. Fill in the blanks. I'll write here itself. First one, what is the? We should have a dash in life. We should have aspiration. That is goal. Aspiration. A dash is needed for the darkening sky. Suppose if you are facing the trouble, what is needed? That is the braveness, bit of courage. A bit of courage is needed. Courage, braveness, all are same only. One must have a dash of brighter sky. What is I said? Brighter skies, glimpse. I would fill up glimpse. Only 3 fill-ups are there. Figure of speech. The words are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Pick out any 2 lines, the repetition from the poem, this one. So what's the repetition? And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. That is the repetition. Clear? That means what? That is the aspiration. Miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. Repetition is the one. That is repeated in the poem. One aspiration is unfilled. Okay, that is nothing more. That is repeated line is what? Again and again we are writing one, no. That miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. I means here what? One person must go. So this is the repetition line. Additional questions and all don't want for us. Now I have to go for the supplementary. What's the supplementary for you? The 3 questions. Only one answer from the book, other answers and all we have to write on the board. Clear, children? And now finish writing. Any doubt in this? Shall I go for other thing? That is supplementary we have to go. We have to write the supplementary question and answers. Okay, children. Take your books now. We have to go for supplementary. The 3 questions. It's in page number. Here 2 parts are there. The same like section 1, section 2. We have to go for the unit 3. So, children remember at any moment they may say at least 10 days before and 1 week before they will give the timetable for you. But the portions I have to say. The portions unit 3 and unit 4. In English for 8th standard only 2 units. Unit 3 and unit 4. Unit 3 only we are completing now. We have already written the question and answers of lesson, that is Isaac Newton chapter 1, chapter 2 and then poem worthwhile. Now we are going for the supplementary. Even I am not able to complete within that time. I'll continue in another class, no problem. And after completing the exercises, we have to go for, after completing the question and answers, we have to go for grammar part. So, supplementary, what's the name of it? The 3 questions. Page number 86. First one, choose the correct answer. See, the king wanted to know the answers for dash questions. How many questions he asked? 3 questions. So, the options are 3, 5, 9. What's the correct answer? A, 3. First one. Second one, the hermit lived in a dash. Cottage, palace, wood. Cottage, the place where we are living. Palace, the place of kings. So, where he lives? The wood, in the forest. So, second answer is, let me write in the same line because I have to go for question and answers thing. That is option C. Second answer, option C, wood. And the third one is, the dash widely renowned for his wisdom. Options are hermit, messengers, warriors. So, the correct answer is third, A, hermit. Hermit means sannyasi, saint. First one is 3, second one is wood, third one is hermit. Clear, children? Now we have to go for next, fill in the blanks. That is B. Fill in. Okay? The answer for the first question was to have dash to fix the proper time for everything. So that the answer is to have fixed for proper, the counsel for the counsel of wise men. First one is counsel of, counsel means what? Group of, counsel of wise men. Wise men, first answer. Clear? Second one is Dash were referred to know the right time for every action. That is magicians. And the third one is the king they decided to consult a hermit because his minister is not answering properly, so he decided to consult a hermit. Clear? First one is council of wise men, a magician. Third one is what? Hermit. Now we have to go for who said these words, that is characters. See, who said these words? They all answered his questions differently. The king asked the questions to the wise men only in his court. So they gave the answer differently. So who gave the answers differently? Land men of the king, that is wise men of king. We can write wise men or landmen. Who said? We are writing the answers for this. Clear? First one is what I said. Landmen of king. Learned. Learn. Men, 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 plural. Landmen of king. Second one is, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who asked? The king asked the hermit. So whose words are these? So you have to write the person who said these words only, the king. And the third one is, now rest a while and let me work a bit. Who said like this? The hermit. Clear? Landmen of king, first one. Then king asked the doubt from the hermit. Then second one, the hermit answered him to wait for some time. Clear? Now we have to go for question and answers. First one, that is answer the questions. I said no, first question you can copy from the board. From the guide, sorry. The first question you can copy from the book. Answer we can take from the book itself. What were the king's questions? What were the king's questions? 3 questions he asked. Now what were the questions? It's in page number 84. You can underline the words. Page number 84, second paragraph. Third line. Second paragraph, third line. Clear? First question is, first one is, what was the right time for every action? The second line last. First one is, what was the time for every action? Underline the sentences. What was the right time for every action? Second one is, who were the most necessary people? And the fourth one is, last line, know what was the most important thing to do. Before know you write how. How to know. This is from the book. Clear? 3 questions actually. What are the 3 questions put by the king? One is, what was the right time for every action? Second one, who were the most necessary people? And the third one in the last line, know what was the most important thing to do. So before know what you must write, how to know. How to know. Then other things and all from the thing. Any doubts, children? Okay, let me continue in other class.